You know, these forensic psychologists and psychiatrists, they go to your website. They go to my website, and they'll make snide comments to me about a book that I was involved in or a case that I have, or some of them have gone through every single case result, and so they know if you know what the hell you're doing or you don't. And they know if you have an ADC or a TDS lawyer that's fairly new, they could be a good lawyer, but if they're fairly new at the job, then they know they can push that person. They can push the envelope in terms of talking about what science shows and what it doesn't show. Because if they know that your lawyer can kick their ass potentially, and they don't know if you have the studies ready to go, they'll throw study names out there. But what you can do is impeach them with the actual study. For example, they might give a study of what happens when someone sees someone that they're afraid of. And you're like, doctor, was that done on humans? Or was that done, my understanding of that study, that was done on laboratory rats back in the 1970s. And they're like, well, I can't test humans, actually. And I had one recently where this doctor got up there and said, well, it's typical for someone to stay in an abusive relationship. And I said, well, doctor, please enlighten us. What study on humans was conducted that shows that someone stays in an abusive relationship? She goes, well, we can't test humans. I'm like, was it done on something similar? She goes, well, it's a study that was done on dogs. The dog was put in a cage, and then they shocked the dog, and then they fed the dog, and then they took the lid off the cage, and the dog didn't run away because the dog had food. Therefore, based on that nonsense, that supports this fact pattern in this case. That makes no sense.